miss. This time it's Xavi who benefits, and he shovels it forward nicely. There's a slip from Erving. Shoot, he says. Oh my goodness! What a goal! Sesko does it again, and he does it.
Basta fazer passe de trivela, a bola vai aos repelões pelo relevado, já chegou Gyökeres, avança para a grande área, vai o Gueirofer com ele, Gyökeres vai marcar o segundo para o Sporting, já está, não está, atira agora a contar, Viktor Gyökeres, marca o segundo para o Sporting e até pareceu fácil.
Sesko for Leipzig, Sesko with a cannonball, that
on his right foot has a really good go. Sesko rounds off the half with a huge goal.
Азербайджанского клуба. Перевод в штрафную. И Gyökeres опять не бьет, а вот теперь бьет. И, по-моему, между ног отправляет Рамзан Джафарову этот мяч.
Well, run by Sesko, and he's got Nusa to his left. Sesko, he might take them all on Sesko. Straight at Vida, Sesko again. He makes sure this time. He is a player who has well and truly found the scoring touch. And he almost crossed Sesko's header! Magnificent! Precise and placed perfectly by Benjamin Sesko.
What a goal! It's a left foot of Ram. It's a free header and a fine goal for Benjamin Sesko. They got a warning at the end of the first half, but Union didn't hit.
Основной квалификации Лиги Чемпионов, и там Астана тоже не проиграл. Как будто бы ничья нас ждет, да? Но Шешко врывает в штрафную, уже перекидывает голкипера и забивает первый гол. Такой классный проход от Бенjamina Шешко. 1-0, Словения впереди. На себя взял игру, прошел сольно, от малого убежал, от второго защитника Marashkina тоже ушел e перекинул шаг.
Ganhou Viktor Gyökeres, vai tentar ultrapassar, vai ali furar entre dois adversários. Lá vai Gyökeres, poderosíssimo, passou Gyökeres, está a chegar Trincão, atrasado, ponta, tira, golo! Do Sporting! Pedro Gonçalves!
I'd never noticed, but you were never there, you were never there.
Sesko, Openda, Spiel gedreht, 2-1 Leipzig, 40. Minute, durch Luis Openda, den belgischen Nationalspieler.
backwards and forwards. This game is amazing, and there's only 1 minute 45 gone. It's 1-1, all square.
I'll follow you no matter where.
For Leipzig this season. Beautifully done. Oh, very, very beautifully done by Benjamin Sesko. So controlled, so absolutely calm. Knew exactly what he was doing, Patrick. Just sent him to the shot.
Down in empty streets, looking for joy. I don't wanna admit I'm better on my own, better on my own. You say we're not meant for each other. I'm not sure of this. I won't give up on this, I won't give up. Cause I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be.
Collins verliert den Ball gegen Antonio Nusa und über Sesko wieder Nusa. Bahn frei, Nusa mit dem Blick.
А вот сейчас Gyökeres, хэт-трик Gyökeреша.
Think it better go someplace I don't know. Cause I got your picture on my wall. I want us to be what we
Wieder
used
Leipzig.
to be. This
Wieder unterwegs und wieder erfolgreich. Mit dem zweiten Torschuss, das zweite Tor. Diesmal macht es Xavi Simons auf Zuspiel von Sesko. Also
I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think it better when I swear. Follow you no matter where.
Antonio Nusa, ist das gut und noch besser, Benjamin Sesko. 1:0, was eine Hütte! Nusa, schon fantastisch, gegen 2, gegen 3 im...
Through here, Sesko. Can he get his first Bundesliga goal, or will he lay it off? Oh, he can get his goal! The number 30, Benjamin Sesko.
With a corner, and Sesko with a header. And that's what Leipzig needed. Benjamin Sesko.
Schon was passiert, 12. Minute, Ausgleich durch den slowenischen EM.
Моментом, и вот еще прострел, гол! И кто это?
Leipzig, well taken down by Raum. Header from Sesko! You don't score in the Bundesliga for 4 games and then all of a sudden 2 come along at once. Leipzig.
So easy in the end. Sesko opens the scoring after David Raum took a lot of criticism from
back on now. Back in for Sesko! Wonderful equaliser for RB Leipzig.
Gyökeres. Para algum risco para o Porto, se passa aqui o Gyökeres, lá vai ele. Atenção para a grande área, Gyökeres. Atenção ao sueco.
Club. Here's Openda. Openda's cross and in by Sesko. Leipzig running riots and Lois Openda.
Sally giving him a lot of room. This is Sesko. Doesn't need much at all. A finish that was cool. Sesko from distance. Well, he hasn't scored in the Bundesliga yet this season. He scored internationally in the DFB Cup, in the Champions League. There was just one competition missing.
Gently is positive. Openda, great play, and Sesko, and that's what he's capable of. Wow! Leipzig burst into life, and there was the combination.
Looking for Sesko, finding him, and he has found a magnificent finish. What a goal from RB Leipzig.
Atenção ao Gyökeres, vai cobrar-se Viktor Gyökeres, sai bomba! Sai golo! É o segundo de Viktor Gyökeres, o segundo do Sporting aos 14 minutos.
Смещается под правую ногу, будет лепить, пока что нет. А вот сейчас попробует, бьет, спасает шансы добивания от Шетка и 2-0. Словения удваивает преимущество в счете и здесь. Давайте смотреть, Стоянович перешел на левый фланг, сместился.
Agora a vida ao Gyökeres, o que faz Gyökeres, tenta fugir a Zé Pedro e agora resta-lhe o cruzamento, não vai para trincar,
Sesko. The scoop cross, Sesko! The quickest to react. Like a true goal scorer.
Severe on it, and the header is spilled by Baumann. And now we've had two goalkeeping errors.